Are you also looking for a good coffee brew? This is one of my favorite. I need to vlog it to remember to get one again because it's almost empty and helps a lot for my overall body. I take it in moderation only. I also did a vlog story. How to use a French press coffee maker. Please do check on my channel. Here's how I prepare mine. Also, thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my YouTube channel. Thanks for the likes. Really appreciate much. Here I set simmer for 4 minutes. After alarm, slowly press. All done. So easy. Like and subscribe.